So what I'm going to show you today is a technique common to many paintings called the gradient. A gradient, you move from one color to the next in a very simple gradation, or ombre as the girls call it. Or yellow to orange, light green to a more blue-green, blue to red or magenta, orange and blue. This is a gradient back here. You'll see that often in skies. And here, the medium blue is what gradates down into a sunset. Okay, so I'm going to do that for you now. What you need is lots of paint. Your beginning color and your end color. Separate amounts of paint, separate brushes. And I also threw in some other color because people like other colors thrown in. You're also going to need a spray bottle because working with tempera or acrylic, it starts to dry. This is watercolor paper that I have. It starts to dry out and you want to keep it liquid like oil paint. So a misting spray bottle is very helpful. There we go. So big brush, I'm going to paint down maybe like 3/4 of where I want to go. And I'm going to lay the paint on thicker on top and thinner as I go this way. Think a wedge, okay? Second color, here's a lighter version. I'm going to go light at the bottom and overlap that, but doing the same sort of thing, a wedge from a thick paint to thinner paint. If you need, if it's not filling in, you could just jam the paint right in there and then lighten it up. You want to decide at what point you want the colors to break, right in the middle, down at the bottom. But keep it workable. Use really long strokes to avoid the windshield wiper effect right across your body. The paint right now I feel is getting a little sticky, so I'm going to mist it a little bit. I didn't throw some orange in just because, whatever, you could throw magenta in, you could throw another streak of white in if you want. A little bit just to mix it up. Go back to the blue. And I'm lightening up my stroke and just going lightly over it. Could even go brighter there if you want. I'm going to go right on the paper. Pull out another brush.